Welcome to my channel Sara Cooks for You. Eid is round the corner and Eid is incomplete without Savaya recipe. So today we are making a very simple recipe, that's a Nawabi Savaya pudding. This is really simple to make. I've used about 3 tablespoons of ghee, and to this I'm adding 2.5 cups of vermicelli, roasted vermicelli, which I've broken into small pieces, and we'll fry this in the ghee till it gets nicely roasted. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes. Once this is done, we'll add half a cup of powdered sugar. If you want it slightly sweeter, you can add up to 3/4 cup. And about half cup of milk powder. Let's mix it really well with the roasted vermicelli. Make sure you keep the flame on low so that it doesn't get burnt. I have sheer khurma recipe also and vermicelli bites recipe also on my channel, so you can check it out. I'll also be leaving the links in the description box. Now the milk powder and the sugar has been incorporated really well. Now let's layer this. Take a serving dish and add a layer of the roasted vermicelli. We'll flatten it out well. Make sure the entire bottom is covered. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Using the back of a bowl, we'll just flatten it out. And now to make the pudding, I've used 1 liter of milk. We'll bring this to a boil. And now I've used about 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 2 teaspoons of custard powder, and I've made a slurry with about 1/4 cup of milk. We'll keep adding this slowly and stirring it continuously. Use a whisk so that the custard is lump free. So we'll mix it really well. Make sure the pudding is lump free, so you need to keep stirring it continuously for that. Now we'll add in about 1 cup or 200 ml of condensed milk. This is optional. If you don't want to use the condensed milk, you can add sugar. And we'll also add in some vanilla essence, about half a teaspoon. Now add this thick and lump-free pudding onto the savaya which we've already layered. Cover the savaya completely and we'll add it while this pudding is hot. Once we make a thick layer, we'll then cover it with another layer of the savaya. You can also add in some orange color to it if you like, that's optional. Otherwise, you can use the savaya as it is. So make sure you completely cover the pudding with the savaya, and we'll just flatten it out using a spatula. This is as simple as this, and the really tasty Nawabi savaya pudding is ready to be served. And you can sprinkle this with some dried fruits like almonds and pistachios. This is a really welcome change from the normal sheer khurma, but Eid is incomplete without the sheer khurma, so please do find the recipe on my channel. You can also make individual cups or serving bowls of this. Just layer them, add 2 to 3 layers of savaya pudding and garnish them with dried fruits, and they are ready to be served. Wishing you all a very happy and blessed Eid. Do make these desserts and enjoy with your loved ones. Stay home and stay safe. If you do try this recipe, do let me know in the comments section, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up.